इधर काफ़ी सारी जिप्सीज खड़ी हैं. Apparently there's a tiger. Okay, so अभी जा रहे हैं हम लंच करने एंड वहाँ से डायरेक्टली हम जाएंगे सफारी पे, आफ्टरनून सफारी. So I hope you like the room. I really liked it. Kaziranga Farm Stay, beautiful place. It's still a work in progress. I think more rooms are being built, but still a very intimate and beautiful property. Okay, very, very excited. There's a gypsy. I'm gonna have a hearty meal and then get going with all of this. Okay, see you. Okay, so lunch is done. We're headed to our gate for our safari. And if you're wondering why I'm looking like a cartoon, it's because I don't want my hair to go bad. And this is for dust protection, which I know I will discard in a few minutes because um, I just know myself. So yeah, we're headed to the gate. Very excited. Conditions are nice, overcast, and yeah, I'll see you inside. I told you I will lose all of that in a second, and I did. Just हमारा सामान चेक हो गया है, and we are going to head out in a minute. We are heading out. Let's go. The jungle is very beautiful, very different from the kind of jungles I'm used to seeing. अभी we are trying to cross a bridge. थोड़ा सा looks like an old bridge, wooden bridge है. So we're seeing a lot of swamp deers. यूजुअली जब हम और किसी जंगल में जाते हैं तो चीता सबसे ज़्यादा दिखता है, बट यहाँ पे swamp deer सबसे ज़्यादा दिख रहा है अभी तक. There's a lot of water all around. ये फ्लड प्लेन्स में है काजीरंगा, and it's absolutely lush green, dense lush green. We're at a watchtower. It's a lot more different than let's say Corbett, जहाँ पे watch towers पे जाना allowed नहीं है. यहाँ पे we can go up here. And the views are spectacular. Let me show you. beautiful views from the watchtower, and across on the bank of the river एक lone single on rhino था. Got some good shots of it. Of course it was against light, though there's a lot of haze, but बहुत अच्छी position में वो था, and was looking great. The jungle is grand. If I had to describe it in a word, it's very grand. The grass is very tall. The landscape is endless for you to see. And I would say I'm not used to seeing water all around when I'm in the jungle. एक तरफ फिर भी I can understand, like in Corbett रामगंगा होती है एक तरफ, या फिर there's the Ken River in Panna. But here, like both sides, you see water. So it's a different experience. Abhi we got some great shots of a lot of different animals. Deer, we got monitor lizard, serpent eagle. There's a lot of variety. So let's see what else we can find. This rhino was so close. For a few minutes हमें लगा कि वो charge करेगा, but it didn't. Just cross the road and graze for a bit before we were able to go. So first time seeing a rhino in the wild so closely. Abhi, of course, I had seen it, but itna close encounter had not had. I'm sure we'll have more during our safaris here, but it's going well. The jungle is absolutely quiet. इतना शाम की मुझे नींद ही आ रही है. हम वेट कर रहे हैं, वेटिंग टू हियर समथिंग, कुछ आवाज़ हो, कहीं कुछ मूवमेंट का पता लगे. Jungle, I have never seen a tiger reserve this dense. Of course, me wanting to click photographs and make videos doesn't bode too well in terms of sightings, but it's heartening to see that there are places like these that still exist in our country. And coming here is the only way you can recognize why these places need to be conserved and kept alive. Nice, great hornbill पेड़ पे बैठा है, बीच में कॉल कर रहा था, हमारे सर के ऊपर से उड़ के गया. ऑफ कोर्स उस टाइम तो couldn't figure out शूट करना, बट इट जस्ट फ्लू ओवर आवर हेड्स एंड सामने जाके वो पेड़ में बैठा. एंड जैसे ही आ गया है सामने एक वाइल्ड ये आवाज़ करी. I don't know if you could hear it. The flap of its wings, it's so loud. यहाँ तक आवाज़ आई. And आवाज़ कर रहा था.
काजीरंगा का क्या चल रहा है सर?
Just
वाइल्ड एशियाटिक वाटर बफलो मिल गया, हॉर्नबिल मिल गया, राइनो मिल गया, स्वैम्प डियर मिल गया,
4
बेटिंग
out
मिल
of
गया,
5. 4 out of
सब
5
मिल
done.
गया। बस टाइगर बाकी है।
Just the tiger is left. काजीरंगा ने हमें आई थिंक 3/4 सफारी में सब कुछ दे दिया बाकी.
हाँ,
But
जो
this,
काजीरंगा के स्पेशलिटी है सब दिख गए।
yes,
हाँ सही
yes.
बात है।
But this was so beautiful.
आज sunset नहीं दिख रहा है, बताओ।
बारिश हुई ना, so हम काफ़ी देर से घूम रहे हैं. In terms of tigers, there's nothing. आज बारिश भी हुई थी एंड ज़्यादा सूरज है नहीं. So, but it's been very beautiful. हमें दोबारा से ग्रेट हॉर्नबिल दिखी, बहुत क्लियर अच्छे शॉट्स मिले. Even in this foliage, the deer have proven to be great subjects. We've got great shots of rhinos today. Tomorrow I'm hoping the light is much better.
Asiatic white water buffalo as well.
Yeah, water buffalo as well. That we just chanced upon. And I think 30 seconds bhi nahi and it went away. So kal hoping for better light, hoping for little more big cat movement. So yeah. अभी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. सनसेट तो क्या ही बोलें, सन था नहीं ज़्यादा, बट हाँ, इट्स गेटिंग डार्क, सो विल हैव टू गो आउट सून.
हाँ हाथी है।
हाथी?
जो ऊपर जो।
ओह, एलिफेंट दिख रहा है. आओ. टस्कर.
टस्कर है।
ओके. ओह, बहुत दूर है, बट हाँ. दिख क्या है टस्कर, बट बहुत दूर है, तो एंड लाइट भी कम है, तो उतनी अच्छी फ़ोटो या वीडियो तो नहीं आ रही. प्लस लिटिल हेज ऑल्सो, बट दिख गया. काफ़ी सुंदर लग रहा है. थोड़ी धूप होती तो इतना सुंदर आता शॉट. जस्ट वॉकिंग अक्रॉस द बैंक. And we're away. It's time to head out now. We'll be back tomorrow and we'll try to get better light. And I would say pretty successful first safari in Kaziranga. So we'll sign off when I get back to the homestay. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. But until I exit the jungle, I can't really sign off because anything can come by. As we were going outside, इधर काफ़ी सारी gypsies खड़ी हैं. Apparently, there's a tiger, but there's no confirmation. And I think we are heading out. कि कुछ most likely there's nothing. पता नहीं था नहीं था. Light is also less. कुछ देखेगा अभी तो भी आएगा नहीं. वाइल्ड बोर है नीचे. I don't know. Okay, so apparently उधर सामने ग्रास में somebody said that tiger सोया हुआ है. But ना अभी हमारे पास टाइम बचा है ना लाइट अच्छी है और ग्रास was very tall, कुछ नहीं दिखना था. So we're heading out. No worries. Today we've gotten like almost everything. We've seen the big four out of the big five. We've seen the swamp deer, the wild buffalo, elephant, rhino, and अच्छे से देखा है. Tiger, we will try. There's a reason it's the most sought after animal. It's not easy to see, so we will try. And there's still some distance to cover, so let's see if anything else interesting happens before we head out. Okay, so we're back, and I had kind of wrapped up our day of sightings previously when I spoke. So this is just going to be to say thank you so much for tuning in. Tomorrow morning we have another safari. We'll try and go and see what else we can find or what we can find again in a different way. So, okay, goodbye. See you in the next video.